Hi, and welcome to naturalcounsel.com tips. Today I will show you 2 tips or tricks how to fall asleep faster and sleep better. The first one is very easy. Handful of walnuts. If you take handful of walnuts with honey, 1 teaspoon of honey and handful of walnuts or even less, it will help you sleep better and fall asleep faster. Take them 1 hour or 1 hour and a half before you go to bed. Trust me, it will do the trick. Why? Go to my blog and I have an explanation. This wonderful night snack has a lot of magnesium and it helps us to reduce stress and fall asleep. The second trick is very interesting. We have to stretch and yawn. Forced yawn. First of all, stretch. We can do a couple of yoga asanas, or we can stretch like this, the way you want and feel comfortable. First of all, stretching will warm up your muscles, reduce stress. So when you lie down, you will feel better. When you stretch and yawn, it is a forced yawn, but you trick your brain. You cheat. You tell your brain, okay, I am very, very tired, I'm sleepy, I want to go to bed. If you do it every day, stretch and yawn, in a couple of days, you will start yawning naturally. And it helps because everything is in our brain. You can trick the brain and you will sleep better. Let me know which one of these 2 tricks helps, which one you like better, because I plan actually to write an article on it. As for now, as usual, breathe, smile, and be happy. See you soon.